Hey guys, it's Styled by Gat here for the first timers, and for the OGs, please, you're welcome. In this video today, this is what we're going to be doing. So for these braids, the only extension that will give you this exact look is Lush extension. That's the Lush kinky braids. So right about now, we're going to go ahead and tie the root of our hair with rubber bands, small black rubber bands that I showed you earlier. So now we're going to be crocheting the kinky braiding hair through our hair. This should be done as gentle as possible because there is a very high tendency of it tangling and you getting frustrated, please. So do it gently, don't fight with it. Then I'm going to cut a small amount out of the hair I've crocheted to use and wrap the roots before I start braiding the hair. And when you are doing this, make sure you don't hold too tight. Don't do it backward, do it forward so that the scalp of your client, your sister, or whomever you are plaiting will not end up paining them. You will not end up hurting the scalp of your client, your sister, whomever you are plaiting. So dividing the hair, that's her main hair, into two to join the extension I've crocheted. Then I'll start twisting. Then when I'm done with the part that involves her original hair, I'll start twisting very softly. This I will do to the end, then I will show you what I'll do next. that very slim tip, I'm going to roll it back up into my braid, and that is the end of it. Okay, let's go into another braid.